Welcome everybody. I'm gonna do another update on the studio. I'll be adding a backdrop. This consists of 3 backdrops, but only about 2. So later on I'm gonna add another green scheme because I don't have any plan for green scheme at the moment. But it should be interesting in the future to actually have a different type of background. Anyways, this is gonna be a manual assembly, and you might not know, my wall that I built consists of 8 feet by 8 feet. And it's actually more than enough to mount it on the side. And this is gonna be labor work, so I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna just take you guys along for a ride. Anyways, enjoy the background music.
I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, yeah. So I'ma fake it till I make it.
The project is all done. Now, this is gonna actually consist of a lot of product showcasing. So stay tuned for all the work I'm gonna be doing from now on using the backdrop. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick assembly of actually putting up a backdrop. Now, this will work for any type of wall that you have. It could be even a frame of 2x4s assembled together without actually having a physical wall on top of a wall. Anyways, if you guys like this kind of content, subscribe and ring the bell and hit the notification. Until then, take care. But you guys understand it. I'll respond accordingly.